guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I've got another large flat box from Fat Quarter Shop. So let's find out what's inside. Hopefully this one won't be as difficult to get into as the last massive box I got. This one's a little bit smaller, so maybe that's it's gonna take off on me. I've got all these straps on this one though. I don't think the other one had all these straps on. I don't think the other one had all of these straps on it. But it was also smaller. So you would think that you'd put the straps on the bigger one. I don't know. These are both of them, while I bought them from Fat Quarter Shop, they did ship from a third company though. So I guess they probably just do whatever is standard practice for their particular company. And these should be different companies than what from each other. Because the other one was Riley Blake. Okay. And then this one, dun, 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 is another box. It's a box within a box. Of course. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's tape going all along the bottom here too. Oh my gosh. If I was in a movie and I had to go up against an evil villain, all they would have to do to defeat me is hide whatever it is that I need to save the world with in a box. That would be it. The whole movie would be me trying to defeat a box. Oh my gosh. Woo! Can you tell what it is yet? It is way bigger than I anticipated because, oops, the actual, I guess, measurement part said, it must have said 23 by 20. I didn't think it said that. I don't know. Yeah, 23 by 20 is what it says on the paper. So for some reason in my mind, that seemed a lot smaller. I was thinking it would not be this massive. I thought it would be the same size as the similar one that I have. See, it is the June Taylor 2.5 inch ruler, which if you've seen my how to make binding strips, my how to make binding video, then you've seen my other one that I had inherited from my husband's grandmother. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to bump you. The ruler hit the camera. Oh, it's got a little handle. That'll be helpful. So you've seen that one then in that video, and it just is separated by 0.5 inches. So I was sitting there having to count over, which I will still have to do for doing the binding strips because I make mine 3.5 inches. But this will be really helpful for making my own jelly rolls from my scrap fabric, which is pretty much how I usually cut down all of my bonus scraps from quilt backings or leftover fabric from quilts that I've made or clothing. And I thought this would save me a lot of time because then I can just cut a whole bunch of 2.5 inch strips at the same time. But there are bonuses to using this. You can also very easily use it to cut out 5 inch strips or make your own charm packs or layer cakes. And I hear you, you're wondering about that. Stay tuned because I'm going to put out a video of how to do that and how easy this ruler makes it, because as easy as you're thinking it may make it, I bet you I can make it just that little bit easier if you see the video. All right. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to showing you how to use this. And I'll see you again next time. Oh, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.